Hey you, welcome back. It's Jyoti. क्या चल रहा है? What's happening? ये गाना request हुआ है and it is a classic. It's I have not seen the full video. I have only seen one or two lines of it. तो ये जब आया messages में, I was like, oh my god, let's. वो कौन थी? लता मंगेशकर जी. लग जा गले. ये कितने लोगों ने cover किया है? ये कितनी बार recreate हुआ है? I mean, this is just one of those songs that leaves you in awe of how great our music industry has been in the past, है ना? Let me just get the story out. अब हम story भी discuss करेंगे ना पुरानी फिल्मों की before we get into the song, so we kind of know what's going on when we watch it. वो कौन थी? It's a 1964 mystery thriller. Mystery thriller मुझे नहीं पता था. Directed by Raj Khosla, starring Sadhna, Manoj Kumar, and Prem Chopra. Screenplay was written by Dhruv Chatterjee. Some parts are Madan Mohan has done the music. Was a box office success. Its success had Khosla directing Sadhna and two more suspense thrillers, Mera Saya and Anita. I think Mera Saya मैंने देखी है. I was very small. I don't remember it. The film's premise is primarily taken from Wilkie Collins' fifth published novel, The Woman in White. Oh, okay. Let me quickly go through this plot once. On a rainy night, Dr. Anand is driving, sees a woman, gives her a lift, introduces herself as no one. Soon as she steps in the car, the wipers stop working. He's even more spooked when she shows him the way when it is not visible and guides him outside a cemetery. On reaching the cemetery, the gates open automatically. He hears Naina Barse, rim jim, Doctor. He's about to inherit a large fortune from a distant relative under the condition that he's perfectly mentally stable, otherwise he can't inherit the property. In the family in the past, his colleague Dr. Lata loves Dr. Anand, but he already has a girlfriend, Seema. Soon, Seema is killed by a cyanide injection, and the suspects are Dr. Lata and her father, Dr. Singh, the head doctor of the hospital in which Anand and Lata work. Okay. On a stormy night, Anand is called to a dilapidated mansion on an emergency case. There, he learns that the patient has already died. He's surprised to see that the patient is the same woman. Some policemen tell him that the place has been deserted for a while and it is rumored to be haunted. The policemen inform him that what he saw in the mansion happened years ago. And many a doctor has registered similar cases with the police on rainy nights. What? On another occasion, he sees a newspaper that says the same woman died in a rail accident. Anand is very unhappy after his girlfriend's demise, but his marriage is fixed to a woman called Sandhya. Anand's mother has never seen her, but she was recommended by her sister. Okay. On the wedding night, Anand is shocked to see that she resembles the woman he gave a lift to. What? He starts avoiding her. One day, he sees that she has painted the same bungalow in which he was called. After that, he hears her singing a part of Naina Bharse. Another evening, he sees an unmanned boat sailing in the lake. Hears another part of Naina Bharse. Another night, the woman, Sandhya, visits Anand and asks him to follow her to an isolated place where she proceeds to sing a song, Lag Ja Gale. He is impressed and they sit in the car where he has a sense of deja vu as the wipers stop working and she can clearly see the way on the stormy and foggy night. He takes her to the bungalow into the room where he had seen her dead and she disappears. When he reaches home, she's waiting for him and his mother says that she never left the house. Guys, what is going on? That song happens in that scene. ये क्या हो रहा है ये film में? Anand is finally successful in persuading his mother to let Sandhya go back to her home by train. The next day, he learns that the train was in an accident, but he had seen Sandhya on the terrace that same night. All these happenings take a toll on his mental health. Yeah, I would also be very. He's advised to take rest in Shimla. There, he meets a monk on a hill spot, on a hilltop, who tells him that 100 years ago at this very spot, a boy and a girl were romancing when the girl fell and died. Since then, her spirit has been roaming, waiting for her lover to return, who has been reborn as Anand. Anand then sees Sandhya far down the hillside and she sings the last part of Naina Barse. Persuaded, Anand jumps but is saved by Lata. Later, when Anand sees Sandhya trying to lure him out, he follows her to the same bungalow, sees Sandhya on the stairway. I'm very confused in one moment and then impossibly beside him in the next. Where he sees a duplicate of Sandhya who came out. The duplicate shouts that she is the real Sandhya, but she is taken away. Strengthened by the sudden revelation, Anand realizes this woman on the roof is not a ghost and confronts her, but she accidentally falls down and dies. What is going on? Ramesh, Anand's cousin, reveals that he orchestrated all the eerie events so that Anand is termed mentally unstable. This is what I thought. Someone is trying to confuse this man, and that his entire inheritance would pass on to the next of kin, that is Ramesh. A duel follows with the henchmen of Ramesh joining to kill Anand, but the police arrive and arrest them. Oh my God, the superintendent of police reveals the details of how the previous acts had been staged with the policeman, the monk, and the servant Madhav, and tells the story of the other woman who was Sandhya's twin, whose existence was unknown to Sandhya. Sandhya's parents had separated them 18 years ago when her mother took away the other girl. Her mother died and she was forced to adopt unfair means to earn a living. Her father learned of her after 16 years but could not tell Sandhya about her identical twin out of shame. Ramesh learned of this twin sister and he started his scheming. The Sandhya who had lured him in the hospital, the woman he had met by the road, the dead woman in the mansion, the woman in white in Shimla, were all acts by Sandhya's twin. This explains the entire story and Sandhya's simultaneous presence in two places. Thus, the mystery is solved and Sandhya and Anand reunite. Oh my God, I'm getting very stressed by this. Poor Manoj Kumar, man. I would have gone mad. Sadhana is Sandhya. Okay, so there are two of her. ये फिल्म तो मैं नहीं देखने वाली because I don't want to get confused like this. लग जा गले आप क्यों रोए नैना बरसे रिमझिम छोड़कर तेरा प्यार का दामन टिकी रिकी टकोरी एंड शोक नजर की बिजलियां ये है सब गाने ओ माय गॉड गाइस वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल साउंडिंग मूवी बट गाना फिर भी क्लासिक है लेट्स जस्ट वॉच इट गॉड 1 2 3 प्ले
लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए अल्ट्रा चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें।
She is the evil twin. Look confused now. Now I know why. हमको मिली है आज घड़ियां नसीब से हमको मिली है आज घड़ियां नसीब से जी भर हमको करीब से फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो लग जा आए Damn, son. But you know, now that I know the weird story behind it, the picturization and the expression, especially on his face, all of that makes so much more sense. Before the clip that I had seen, I think it was just of the first line. I used to wonder, why is this guy looking at her so confused? And why are they separating and why are they sad? So वो weirdness अब चली गई. Raja Mehdi Ali Khan has written the lyrics. Beautiful, beautiful lyrics. Director Raj Khosla, starring Manoj Kumar and Sadhna. Music Madan Mohan जी. लता मंगेशकर, वो कौन थी? ये बहुत ही माइंड बॉगलिंग प्लॉट लगा इसका मूवी का. एंड हाउ स्ट्रेंज इट इज, नो, दैट ऐसी वियर्ड फिल्म प्लॉट के बीच में इतना ब्यूटीफुल सा गाना सडनली आ जाता है एंड कैरीज द मूवी फॉरवर्ड स्टिल. आई डोंट नो हाउ they used to do it, but they did it. They did it. आज के टाइम में ऐसा ही कोई सिचुएशन होती है where this woman is trying to take him for a ride and she's playing a character and she's trying to fool him. कुछ weird lyrical song घुसा दिया जाता. But anyway, I really liked, and she's acted so well. She's acted so well. Plus she looks amazing. Plus that hairstyle of hers, which became the sadhana cut. I have also done. I've had this haircut at one point in my life. लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात होना हो. ये गाना हर एक सैड रोंदू प्लेलिस्ट के टॉप पे रहता है एंड रहा है और रहेगा. और आई थिंक that anyone in their life, if they have been in love and they have betrothed, at some point or the other, you have heard this song or a cover version of it in the voice of some new singer that you may follow or be a fan of. But ये गाना जो है, इसकी जो मेलोडी है, इसकी जो जो लिरिकल डेप्थ है और लिरिकल लाइक इमोशनल डेप्थ है, वो timeless hai. It's absolutely timeless. It's classic. And these lines, you know, I think when the lyricist would be writing these lines, Raja Mehdi Ali Khan साहब, when they're writing these lines, they also probably never realize कि ये क्या ही गाने हम लिख रहे हैं, ये कितने ही centuries तक और you know eras में इनको like relatable माना जाएगा, and they will be considered yeah, just absolute gold, absolute gold. शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात होना हो. Oh man, I don't know. When I first heard this song, if I remember correctly, I thought I was tearing up only. Beautiful. It's very interesting. Again, I will say how in the middle of this warped plot and story of the movie, they have inserted such a beautiful Gana. And that too for a scene where, what did it say? She has taken him to the they asked him to follow her to an isolated place where she proceeds to sing a song. He is impressed and they sit in the car where he has a sense of deja vu. So, बहुत strange situation में घुसा दिया गाना, but very nice, very nice. Let me know what you thought of it, and have you seen this movie? And is the movie worth a watch? Should we watch it? Should I watch it? Let me know. And of course, this is a Lata Mangeshkar classic, one of her absolute best. So glad we got to watch it together. Let me know what else I should get to. Abhi bahut gaane cover karne hain. Tell me which ones have the most interesting like scene and story in the video, and the characters of the movie and all of that. Let's get into all the fun ones, interesting ones, complicated ones, weird ones, all of that. Leave your recommendations in the comments or DM me on Instagram, and please do hit the subscribe button and help me reach my 200K goal of 2026. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.